In this video we will learn how to generate a bonus request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Payroll module on top navigation bar. So here you can see bonus request form. Click on the Apply for Bonus button to add a new request. Next, select an employee whose deduction requisition is to be generated. Enter title for the request. And then select the date. Select the bonus type. Enter the amount of bonus. Select either the deduction is taxable or not. Add a reason before submitting the request. Click on a Submit button to submit your request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.